Hello everyone, it's Angel from the Abernathy's Go Green, and today I'm actually very excited to be sharing with you guys the August Beauty Heroes box because this month they are featuring one of my favorites, and it is Ayuna. Once again, I just wanted to show you this really fast because they also included a little one of those pieces of paper that you plant in your garden and then you just water it, and it's embedded with seeds. So they have the cream #1 and a body cream in this month's box. I have done a review of the Ayuna Essence cream #2 and their bar of soap because they did feature Ayuna in last November's box. So I'll have those linked down below, so I can just go ahead and jump right in to showing you everything that's in this month's box and also kind of my thoughts about the products. Of course, these will be more first impressions because I haven't been using them for any length of time. So the first product is the cream #1. Like I said, they have two variations of their face creams. They just simply call it cream #1 for the lighter version and cream #2 for the richer of the two formulas. So let me just read to you a little bit about what they have to say about their product. They said that both the cream 1 and 2 have excellent sensorial properties. The formulas target a range of skin functions and expand the potential benefits obtained from botanical ingredients by incorporating the science of phytopeptides and plasma rich in botanical cell factors, including those of green carrot, Arabian cotton, and pomegranate, phytopeptidic fractions of turmeric root and centella, known as the longevity plant, favorably help the skin to maintain its regenerative abilities. The integral rejuvenating treatment melts onto the skin, leaving in its wake a soft, effervescent film. They noticed that wrinkles are softer, elasticity is visibly improved, skin appears more radiant, skin texture is softer and firmer, complexion is more even, and spots noticeably improve. They want you to use it in the morning and at night. Apply over the face, neck, and décolleté, gently massaging until fully absorbed. The formula adapts to the circadian rhythm of the skin, acting as a perfect makeup primer or a protective shield during the day while enhancing the skin's natural repair and restores function at night. During the day, sun protection may be applied over the product if necessary because this does not contain any kind of SPF. So I think on days that I know that I'm not going to be heading out, I will use this, and of course at night. And on days that I know I'm going to be outside, I'm going to keep using my Malu. And that's what the cream looks like. It's very nice and thick and creamy. It looks like vanilla pudding. It has that lovely Ayuna scent that I love so much. I got this in the mail today. Whenever they sent me the email that said, hey, we sent you the box, I went to the tracking number and had them text me updates on when the product will be here, and I got a text that it was going to be here today. So I waited until I got this in the mail to jump in the shower so I can put this on my face and then the body lotion on my body so I can test it and do this video for you guys and kind of give you my first impressions. So far I really like this cream. I've been wearing it since noon and it's almost 4 o'clock, and I don't notice that my skin has produced any kind of extra or excessive amount of oil. I am looking a little bit glowy, but it is summer and I do have really oily, acne prone skin, so that's very normal. So whenever I hopped into the shower, I just washed my face with a cream cleanser and then jumped out of the shower. I didn't even do my toner or anything like that. I just put this on directly onto my skin, and it's really super hydrating. It felt like it had that very silicone-y slip. If you're familiar with, applying silicone-based products onto your face, it has that very velvety, silicone-y feel, but it does absorb into the skin really easily, and so far I really love it. When I was using the rich version, the way that I found it best applied to my skin is mist my face with a rose water toner first, and then take like a half a pea size amount and then kind of mix it into the toner that I already have on my face, and so they get absorbed together because it's a pretty rich cream. Whereas with this one, I used like a standard pea size amount of moisturizer like I normally would my any other moisturizer, and that was perfect. But I'm gonna keep using this and let you guys know how it reacts with my skin. First impression is quite positive. I really like it, and it couldn't have come at a better time because I am almost out of my C La Vie face cream that I got in I think January per last box, and the moisturizer that I used last summer that I got this summer again to replace that one, my skin's not agreeing with it for some reason, so I've just been using that on my body, and then I started using the C La Vie moisturizer again, so that one's almost out. So I'm happy to have this again. Like I said, perfect timing to take the place of my beloved C La Vie moisturizer. So that was the hero product, was the cream number 1, and then the sidekick is the body cream. Now this is a newly formulated addition to the line. This is, let's see, a 3.4 ounce tube of body cream, and it is valued at $59. The full size is 6 ounce something, and it's like $119 or something like that. Okay, here it says the 6.8 ounce is a full size, and it's $118. Sorry, it was right in the bottom of that card. They call it the Body Cream Restorative Prebiotic Care, and it is a luxurious, everyday body care experience. The silky, non-toxic cream drenches the skin with a layer of deep hydration that lasts throughout the day, enriched with a plasma rich in cell factors from Morinda citrifolia, commonly known as noni, and peptides from lactic bacteria. The result is a prebiotic blend that balances the microbiota and visibly improves the skin. This powerful formula is reinforced by a cocktail of nature's most nutritive lipids: calendula, known for its soothing and calming properties, zea mace, germ oils, plus honeycomb and jojoba waxes provide antioxidants and essential fatty acids to the skin. So I guess since it has beeswax, it's not vegan, honeycomb. So just keep that in mind if you're vegan. Body cream envelops the skin with the transforming energy of Ayuna's less is beauty approach, offering a complete restorative treatment to help accelerate the skin's natural regeneration process and delivered in a delightful sensorial experience. With continued use, the skin recovers its radiance while its texture is visibly more even and luminous. It says apply daily in the morning and or at night. It's recommended to apply the product using circular movements when going over the belly and buttocks, and ascending motions at other parts of the body. So you're kind of doing like a lymph drainage thing at the same time. But I applied this on my upper body only after I took my shower because I didn't want to waste it on my legs because it's so expensive. But so I showed you the tube, right? It's very beautiful. So this is just like a plastic tube, and then this is also plastic.